How can I choose from a list of random things that should happen? Here's a quick example where I'm actually, anytime I hit the space bar, maybe I want the cat to say something. So we know how to do that. He says hello for 1 second every time I hit space. Okay. But what if I had several different things that I'd like him to say? Well, this is something we haven't done. You can make a list, and this is only relevant for this cat. I'm going to call it sayings. And you can see here, you can actually just edit the sayings. Hello, hi, bonjour. Okay, and so I've got 3 things in there, and in case you don't know, anytime you see those variables show up here or here, you can always just uncheck to make it disappear. And so instead of saying hello for 1 second, I could say item number 1 of sayings. So he says hello still. I could say number 2. Hi. Or I could say any. So this is basically random. Every time I hit space, he chooses a random thing from the sayings list. Another way of doing this, because it can be a number we saw, like number 2, is that you could use pick a random number. So in place of the number 2, I could say pick a random number from 1 to 3, and it's picking random numbers. There, we've seen all 3 of them. And this might be useful because you could actually you might have a list of 100 different sayings, and in this level, he only says numbers 1 to 3 randomly. So you could have items number 5, 6, and 7 be for level 2. It's up to you, or you could just have them be separate lists. But that's just to show you, first of all, how to use random numbers, and second of all, how to use lists, and you can go from there.